What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. How are y'all doing today? There's a purse, looks empty though. We're gonna try to make a video today. Oh, it's got rocks and stuff in it. Nothing down there either. Boy, let me tell you, when I was putting out that last video, Jensen came home from school and he said he was tired, and oh yes, cans go there, shred goes there. Well, just basically he started throwing up right when he got home from school while I was working on that video, editing it, and I was like, oh no. He got sick, then I got sick, then the other two littles got sick. Only ones that didn't was my wife and my oldest daughter. Like, it all happened at once, man. And like, stomach bug. I was praying to the porcelain gods. Whew. It was awful. I hadn't been sick in years, so my voice sounds different because I'm so sore from throwing up. I was down, just like ready to give up, laying down on the bathroom floor, and then a Charlie horse hit me and I had to get up. But man, so I'm gonna do my best. I've been cooped up the last couple days, so I'm better now, just sore and hoarse from throwing up. Like I said, Jensen's doing good. He bounced back. That kid's tough. Other kids, I just threw up a few times. I don't know, I guess I brought something home from Children's or something, from the hospital, or they brought something home from school, something like that. But we'll see what all we can get into today. But hopefully we find a few tidbits here and there. Feels good to be outside though. It's a nice, cool, beautiful day and the sun's out, so we'll give it our go the best we can. Yeah, my little girl, oh cool, she described it the best when you're throwing up. She says it's like, I don't mean to gross y'all up if y'all don't want to hear about throwing up, I'm sorry, but this is what I've experienced the last few days. She's like, Dad, it's like somebody enters your body and takes control of it. And I was like, yeah, it does. That's for sure. And my boy, I mean, like, it happened all at once on both of them. And this is like late at night when they started doing it, after me and Jensen had been sick. And he made it to the bathroom, but then he was like a little sprinkler going or throwing up in the bathroom on the walls and the floor. Oh man, it was bad. And of course I had to go clean it up, and I was sick. Whew. It was bad, but I'm glad it's over with. At least I think it is. Oh. All right, we got something in the truck. Cool, man. On we go. Got us a bucket. Can't pass up a bucket, can we? Look on this side a little bit. It's got a crack in the bottom, but that'll work good for something. In the road, so I can't stick around here too long. Anyway, that was nothing anyway. On we go. Might be just a can day, I don't know. All right, here, I'll grab one. That one's full. Alright. Oh, you might just watch me pick up cans all day. At least they're light. On we go. I see a TV at the bottom here. I guess we'll grab it. I don't know what we'll find today. That one's a lot of plastic in it. Got a plastic bag and everything. You never know. there's another one down there too. We'll just take one. It's plastic too. I only got so much room in my trash can. Get rid of the non-wanted stuff. Alright. We saved one. On we go. Shopping cart, shopping cart. I can't take that. Was that? Oh, I can take. There's an air fryer or something down there. I can take that. Where's our carts? I don't even know if I can get this out of there. Wow, this is aggravating. There we go. I'm sure that I can get it now. There we go. On we go. There's a shop vac deal in here. Top, the back of it's over there. Another shopping cart too, isn't that weird? I guess it's a complex is tired of seeing them left around. Well, somebody cut the cord off of it, but I can take it to shred. Alright, y'all see anything else? What's in this box? Trash. Alright, let's get to moving. Oh, we got a case here. We might as well see what's in it, huh? Nothing. On we go. There looks to be some stuff up here. Oh yeah. Good old office chair and a TV. I guess we'll take it. Not the TV though. Office chair, I mean. We got our quota on TVs. Golly, that office chair felt 100 pounds. I'm so weak. Alright, on we go. It's not much at all. We'll take it. I don't know what we'll find today. What's in this bag? Anything in this bag? I found some cool stuff in this dumpster before. Is that a... It's a little roller. If I can get it. Yeah, we got it now. It's metal. Alright. That's all we had in there. More shredolas. About a nickel. Weighs about a pound. Man, everybody getting new TVs or something. Must be around Christmas time. This one has a cord on it, so we ain't gonna leave a cord behind. I think it might even work. No, I see it's broke. I see the screen crack. Is it an unpluggable gun? It is. We don't even. Another cord. There's an open top. You guys want to check it? Anybody wants that piece of junk? Yeah, just ceiling tile. And guys, I spilled my coffee all over my pants. Looks like I pissed myself. I didn't really spill it. I dropped it out of my hands and I went to grab it and I squeezed it and it shot out. Way to go, Coonts. Anyways, I figured I'd share my embarrassment with y'all. On we go. I don't know, guys. Maybe we will get some stuff. I don't know. Just takes one stop. Stay optimistic, guys. Right? I see a tote. We gotta have a look just to see if there's anything. I don't think there is, but yeah, there ain't nothing. Okay. I don't think we're gonna. I think we should just go back home and call it quits. Hey, we got a dishwasher. With dishes still in it. Oh, I'm so weak. This is gonna feel like 1,000 pounds. I'll have to do some reorganizing later. We find anything else? Ain't got nothing in there. Well, I'll find a spot and make it better. Golly. Woo! There's some stuff over here for free. What's this? Some wood. We don't want no wood. On we go. Oh man, look at here. Oh, a dime. Heck yeah, look around. The sun was hitting it. The dumpster used to be back here. Maybe at the end of the year we'll use that. We'll put it all in the coin counter that Linda sent us and see how much we gathered up for the year. Alright, on we go. Hey, how you doing, man? The stainless steel sink. To get the hook for that one. Let's pick up this mess. I don't know if I did that or not, but nothing out. On we go. At least we found something that's worth a little bit. Somebody took all the brass off of it, but oh well. Stainless steel. Oh, I didn't stick a magnet to it, but probably is, I'd say. All right, that's a little better. Let's check this thing one more time before we write it completely off the list. Y'all see anything? Windshield wiper. I got some cans. We'll see what we can get out of here. Another windshield wiper. We may have to name it the windshield wiper dumpster. Look at there, another metal windshield wiper. I mean, it's nothing great, but you know. I can't really take the air filters. Another one. That one's plastic. I think the oil filters are done with, guys. Somebody is getting them. And now they're gonna start. Well, he's picking up windshield wipers too. Y'all start saving the windshield wipers for me. We still get oil filters from my dad though, which he don't do very many oil changes. That's good though, they're not going to the landfill. Maybe they're saving them or something. But still, and somebody's getting every single one of them now. You know what I mean? I could have called or went in there and talked to them, but then I'd be obligated to come pick them up all the time, and something I might not be able to do it. So, you know what I mean? But either way, we'll still check it every week, I guess. See how good they're doing. On we go. A big old piece of Romex. This is an electrician dumper, but their door's open. So I really don't want to stick around. Just in case they make me run off. I don't see nothing staring out at me besides this, and this is pretty cool. So on we go. Or they could just load me up with stuff, but there's always that chance. So don't come back. But I doubt it. Let's check this one together if you want to. Nothing. Let's see what this one has for us today. Oh, there's a lot of regular trash in here. Might not have nothing. Oh, there's a piece of shred. I think I see a few wires down there. Usually there's poke around a little bit. Yeah, there's some wiring harnesses. Maybe. Yeah. To get us a take our bucket where we don't make y'all walk back and forth with me. cool. A motor. You have to get the oil. Nope. Cool, man. This dang hook keeps getting stuck. There's a shock or strut or something. Alright. That ain't doing it. Alright. Where you at, Magneto? My bro. You got my tool bags on you. Oh gosh. There we go. Deploy the magnet stick. Might as well. Is it a snap-on? It's a Craftsman. Do they have a lifetime warranty? Seems like it works. There's another. I ain't got much. Well, that's probably why, because I got jump on it. Oh, it's on there. Alright, now we might be able to get it. We almost had it. Yeah. What is that? Stereo or something? There's some more wire. A little bit of wire in there I can't get. Oh, I got it. I got it. That hook got it. How cool is that, man? Alright. I'm just gonna sit there and get little bolts and stuff. I think that's about it that I see. Close up and head on down the way. A little bit of stuff. So let's put our wire. Shred. Shred. Alright, cool. Whoa. We got a couple deals full of stuff here. Let's go through them and see what all we got. I'm not gonna take much, but I'll take the lamp. No, we'll take the lamp. I like digging in boxes like this. Some die cast, some aluminum. Is that a GI bro? Any more? That's a metal airplane. Some old toys. Oh, Jeff Jarrett, a wrestler. I mean, he's beat up, but that's Double J right there. We'll keep him for sure. I like finding wrestlers. Did y'all see when Nacho found a whole bunch? That's die cat. That's aluminum too. Must be some copper. Another toy car. A Sega game. I need Fucking digging little boxes like this, man. Plastic, there's some aluminum. 1997 marble. Who is that? Her arm's broken. There's another cowboy dude. Is that the good wrench? Is that Dale Jr.? Yeah, throw him in there. There's a golf ball though with my golf ball collection. I need to sell all them. I got a good bucket full of them there. There's a glass plug. There's a turtle. There's a camera. I think that is all the stuff that we want. Some old Barbies. Yeah. What is that dude? Is Disney Burger King. I don't know what that is. Another car. Alright, I think we got everything we wanted out of here. Let's look at that other one. I like digging and stuff like that. That's kind of like a little treasure hunt. We'll have to get the hook and get it there. Oh, we found Double J. I don't know if there's anything in here or not, but we'll take a gander. I see some more cars and stuff. We'll throw that. Keep that car. Yeah, keep the Hot Wheels. BBs, more pellets. Mr. Freeze. Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels. Piece of scrap metal. Baseball. Throw that out. There's these cars. They're beat up, but they can at least be recycled. Oh, the 8-ball. Keep an 8-ball. Oh, look, we found a gun in the trash. A little pheasant or quail or something. Cool, man. There's Hooby, Rubro. There's another golf ball for our golf ball collection. What we got? 60 years, 1988. Disneyland. What's that worth? There's a Volkswagen. My mom collects them. I don't know if she'd want it or not, but there's another. That's a cool looking car. It's like a bug. There's another car. Man, this is like a treasure. There's a. That's shredded. Oh well. Horse. Any more wrestlers, man? There's Willie. Let's free him. There's a. I'm not putting my lips on that. A Perco. Big old bug. Oh, there's another car. What kind of man? Oh, it's little cowboys. My brother said he was junk shopping the other day. He said seen these old ones like this bagged up. He said they were wanting quite a bit for them. So I might like bag them dudes up. I don't know if I left any of the other ones or not. I don't know if they're worth anything or not. Hey, there's Doug. It's a pin. Some kind of token. That's a Chuck E. Cheese token. How about that? More necklaces. There's an earring. not sticky, whatever it is. Wouldn't it be crazy if that thing was gold? Let's see if we see anything on it. That is. It's most likely not. I'm not seeing anything. Alright, well, now what is this? There's a Batman Pez. Wore out. What is that thing? I don't know. This was fun. There's an award or something. It's got a, I don't know. Huh. Cool little knickknacks. Oh, Mr. Cars. That's a Slim Jim car. What we got in here? Aluminum. Coonts, you should have grabbed the whole thing, right? I should have. It's not leaving any metal. I know. What's this? We the sheriff? Oh, we the sheriff now, boys. We're the sheriff. Anderson for president. I don't even know who that is. There's a little gun. Look at that. Look at these little cool stuff in here, man. There's a chipmunk. One chipmunk. Peanut 50-year celebration. I don't know. I'll grab it because y'all say it's worth millions. Alright, there's another Pez. That is, I don't know. US. Made in Slovakia. I'll keep them too. I think I have a tote full of Pez deals. They're rough. Shame. There's a little car. That's the Kodiak micro machine. Y'all remember them? Oh dang, these little piece of brass necklace or something. Alright, there's Frosty. I think we got them. I think we keep getting them whipped, and I keep finding little trinkets. Alright, I think we got. There's some dice. Y'all want some dice? What are we gonna roll? 10. Some more. Some, are those Pogs? Coke cap, I don't know. Why did I keep that? Oh, look. Troll. I'll just stick them up over around the scrap shack. Just bringing back childhood memory. Oh, there we go. We got the Riddler. 10. Alright. There's Scooby. We don't want Scooby. Don't make me maul you. Alright, guys. That was fun. Another dice. That was fun. Make sure. There's an NASCAR. Sometimes, man, those used to be. I don't want to miss nothing in here. I'm gonna be the sheriff again. That's plastic, I know. We went through these pretty good, didn't we? That's those monkeys. We ain't got nothing left. Should we keep that? Maybe one day. Oh, we might not forget that. That's our main tool. Oh well. Hoarder. Oh, we got some scooters. I'm busy. I'll pull it all out and then take it where y'all don't have to see me walk to the truck 100 times. They got us a fold them up chair. A piece of a Christmas tree, it looks like. Golly, that is. All right, hook, what do you hook on? There we go. Another scoocher. What else is in here? A boogie board. Can we scrap that? I think we can. And what else we got? Some roller blade. I don't think those will fit my key. That's only one. Oh, there's two. Old shoes. Alright. What else? Anything? Regular trash? Well, we found a little bit of goodies. That looks still decent enough, don't it? It is what it is. Finding, take what we can get. We ain't gonna complain. On we go. Alright, we got. This one has some stuff in it, actually. Oh yeah. Oh shit, that scared me. It's a duck, a dead duck, a mallard too. I shot it and just threw it away. You know, that's actually the best duck to eat too. God, what a freaking waste, man. Give that crap to me. All right, there's some stainless. That really. I want to get in here with the dead mallard duck. That don't part don't bother me. The part bothers me. They wasted it. You know? I know there's somebody. Mallards are dang good eating. I don't know what all we got in here. That's a cookie tin. Oh well. Let's get up and out of here. I left that piece of shred, but I don't know what's stuck on. See if I can get my fat boo honky out of here. Woo! Cool, man. I threw every one of them in the damn mud puddle. That's funny. Oh, it hurts to bend over from throwing up so much. I left that one big piece in there. Yeah, those are stainless. Those are pretty fancy, ain't they? Scrap them. Yeah, I threw every one of them in the only mud puddle in the whole parking lot. Mallard duck wasn't stiff or anything. It's been cold out, but on we go. Well, we got a sink. Let's see if it's got any brass on it. I think it's a plastic one. I don't think it is a plastic one. I think the whole thing is. There's a little tidbits of copper on these though. See little copper bands. I guess we'll get them if I can. Wow, how lucky. I can do it with my fingers. Yeah, little tidbits of copper on there. Let's see if we can get this dude off there. And the other one on the right side, are we gonna get lucky? Wow. Yeah, that thing is all plastic. Yeah, the lines are plastic. That's all plastic. Wow. Oh well. Yeah, plastic. Now this one. Has copper on it and brass, and the sink is steel. Heck yeah, that's what we like to find. Okay. Somebody hollering at me. See anything else in there? Ceiling fans. Holy hecko. I'm so I'm a weak boy. I don't know what he has, but we'll see. Maybe it's copper. I don't want to break the aluminum off. And that's what I'm doing. I guess we'll take the whole thing. That was a good stop. Best stop of the day. I'll give it a double look. I guess we'll go over there and see what that feller wanted. Alright, let's see what you want. I changed gloves because those other ones, whatever, all that cookie jar stuff stunk so dang bad. Okay, cool, thank you. I heard somebody holler.
Un momento.
Yeah. I was like, where's that coming from?
Okay.
Yeah.
Un momento, please.
Okay. Looks to be aluminum. That sure does. Okay. That too? Okay. That it? Thank you. I don't like that one. I like this one.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Cool. On we go. A little dab of aluminum. There's a cord to something just hanging here. Let's see what it's. Oh, it's just hanging there. That thing. I am going to put a magnet on the end of that one day. Oh, let's do our good deed for the day. Some kid was sent to carry out the trash. On we go. find some stuff in this old spot. I don't know if we got anything. There's a chair. I'll take a chair. Curtain rod. Brought busted chair. Not busted. That's all I see. Let's put a spongy on it. Well, we're back home. Wasn't the greatest of days, but we've also had worse days. That's aluminum. That's breakage. We got us that sink with the copper and stuff on it. It actually wasn't. Could have been a lot worse, actually. That guy flagged us down and gave us a little bit of stuff. But this was worth. I mean, that's all aluminum there, so that's cool. Got that dishwasher. Hopefully the motor's copper. 2 ceiling fans, man. It's been a while since we found a ceiling fan. And the find of the day, if I can find, there he is. In my opinion, to me, old Double J here, Jeff Jarrett. Y'all remember him? I'm a wrestling nerd. This was one from like the 90s, man, or early 2000s. 1998, yeah. That's when he was still in WWE before he went to WCW. But cool, man. I would have paid $1 for that at a yard sale, honestly. I mean, it's beat up, but it's weird what... I've always liked wrestling. I don't really watch it much anymore, just kind of keep up with it online, but still. Anyways, rambling on. But that's what we found today, so I'm happy to go out and get out of the house and breathe some fresh air and stuff. Let's see if those are stainless. Yeah. Oh, that one's sticky. That one's not. So that one's shred. Huh. Weird. Alright. What about this thing? Sticky. Well, alright guys, I really appreciate y'all. I had fun. Thank y'all very much. Y'all are the best subscribers and friends anybody could ask for. So y'all guys have a good one. I'll see y'all on the next one.